In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can insert an image into your Google Sheet. This process is very straightforward and simple to do, so let's just get straight into it. So previously it was a pain to try and add images to your Google Sheets, but recently they have made some updates and it is much easier. So let's just say you'll have your text or something in that cell. You can add some more text. This is just an example. Now, for example, if I want to add an image in cell B there, all I need to do is select the cell by clicking on it, and then where it says insert here in the top menu bar, click on insert, and then you want to select image, and then you have two options. You can insert an image into the cell or an image over the cells. What you want to do is select image in the cell. That's going to be the best option. Then you have all these options to choose from. You can upload an image, select from your camera, take a photo with your camera, by URL, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to upload an image and I'm going to click on browse. Then I'm going to select the image that I want to use. So for example, it's this image. It's now uploading, and there you can see the image has been inserted into the cell. Now the nice thing about this is if I now resize this, the image is going to resize with that resizing of that cell. And that's basically all there is to it. So that is how you insert an image into a Google Sheets. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.